So I don't know, like people would have missed. So anyhow, we'll start. We'll start the discussion. Right. I hope you guys have this the tute. Can't you see a whiteboard? No. So what can you see? Still whiteboard is loading. Tute is in the link. Just check the link. Yeah. So yeah, you just have to see a whiteboard. Okay. Can you see that whiteboard? No, it's loading. Right. Can't you see that? Okay, at least try to let me share the video. Okay, can you see the screen? What are the shared content?
Yes.
Okay, right. Now I ask you to try this part. Okay. So first of all, we'll discuss the short questions. Last week we discussed, so it's that recording was available. Last week we discussed paper 2 contents. So today we'll discuss paper 1's content. All right. So you can see this part. When an item worth 1,000 is imported, 6% of duty is charged. They have asked to calculate the duty. Right. So what should you do here? And for 1,000, you have to see 6% of duty. Okay, so you can see 1,000. For 1,000, see 6% of duty. 6% means 6 over 100. So 6 over 100 means simplify these two zeros. Simplify these two zeros with these two zeros. So 10 into 60 will be rupees 60. Okay, will be 60 rupees. Okay, something problem. Okay, so this will be 60 rupees. Okay, so this is the duty. So they have asked to add 1 over 3x and 1 over x. So what should we do? We have to multiply, we should have common denominator, so multiply this by 3. So if you multiply this by 3, this also should be multiplied by 3. Then we can add this 1 into 3 is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So answer will be 4 over 3x. Okay. Now shall I ask you a question? Uta, tell me, all right, tell me, 4 over 3x mean what type of factor is it? What type of factor is 4 over 3x? So we have different types of factors, no, Puta? Different types of factors mean one is their proper factors, one is their improper factors. Sorry, fractions. Proper fractions, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. What type of fraction is this? Can you reply in the chat box? What type of fraction is this? Proper, improper, or mixed? Everyone, can you involve in the chat? Guys, you can just try. You know what is proper, improper, everything. What type of fraction is this? Everyone try to give a reply. Good. So most of the answers says improper. Right. Good. Now, and one answer says algebraic fraction. Good. Put a, yes, this is algebraic fraction. But on algebraic fraction, actually you can't say whether this is a proper fraction or improper fraction without knowing the value of x. Right? Without knowing the value of x. Just imagine if the x value is something like 2 again. If x is equal to 2, then if you multiply 3 into 2, it will be 6. So you get here 4 over 6 scale. Right? Here you get 4 over 6. So if it's 4 over 6, then if it's 4 over 6, you're not 11. This is a proper fraction. In case if this x value, if it 1, so you get 4 over 3. You get the value 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 mean what? Then that is improper. So without knowing the x value, we can't say it's a proper or improper. That's the answer. Okay, without knowing the x value, you can't tell whether it's a proper or improper. Okay. Now you have done logarithm when you were in grade 10. So both these questions are from grade 10. Now, although you're grade 11, these both questions are from grade 10. All right. We go to the next one. So whatever necessary things you can write. I ask you to do the first 10 questions. Right. Okay. So we'll erase this. Okay. These parts. Fine. I hope these are like very simple things. Now we'll go to the next one. If you go to the next one, express the index form log 5, 1, 2, 5 equal 3. Okay, this is actually a basic format of logarithm. So under logarithm, Puta, when you're doing log, you can do like this very easily. You can tell, you can remember this as log by. You can remember this as log by. Okay, log by. B for its base, right? B for base, A for answer, and I for index. Okay, B for base, A for answer, I for index. So I can write base mean base is it comes down. Index, it comes up. And the answer, we have to write equal to the answer. 5 to the power 3 equal to 125 kilo. You have to write it. Okay, 125. 125. Okay, so this is the answer. Right. So this one also from grade 10. Okay. So if you have a grade 10 knowledge, remember you can answer these. These are definite questions which will come for exam. Yeah. See the next one. In the given figure, the triangles ABC and PQR are congruent. According to the given information, find the values of x and y. Okay, now you should know the values of x and y. Now, Buddha, you can see this one is congruent mean. These both are 100% similar triangles. Like these are 100% equal to each other. So this one 60 degrees mean. You can see where is 60 kiloject. Where is this 60? It is between the single line and this double line. So Buddha, if this one is 60 degrees mean, so between the single line and double line, this x value should be 60 degrees. This should be 60 degrees. And you can see this one is 70. 70 is between single line and nothing. There is nothing in. So single line and nothing only, this 70 is there. So this one 60, this one 70. Mean what is the next one? That value will be 50. Why? The interior angle of triangle is 180. So then this y should be how much? This y value is 50. So according to x and according to congruency, x value is 60, y value is 50. It's like a very basic question. Okay, nice. But who tried the fifth one? Did anyone try the fifth question? Yes, no, tell yes. No, no. If have anyone tried fifth question? Have anyone tried fifth question? This one? Yes, no, no. Okay, then try. Okay, you can try now. I'll give 2 minutes. We'll try a question. After that, we'll discuss. If you get the answer, Taggala put the answers in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Did you get the answer? Taggala put the answer for fifth one. But give me a minute. There's a small parcel to collect. I'll get it and come. So until that, try the sixth one as well. Give me a minute. Right. Okay. Now with the bus travel at a uniform speed of 16 ms minus 1. So find the right. Most of the students have got the answer. Very good. So by right, speed equals distance divided by time. Right? Distance divided by time. They are again the speed. So for speed, you have got 16. For distance, find the distance. So for distance, you have got d. That will we have to find. And the time taken 3 seconds. Then put 3 for t. So what you have to do, send the division 3 to this side. So just keep the d here, no problem. You can keep the d on the right side. It's not a problem. So d is equal. Already 16 is here. Division 3 goes to other side, mean become multiplication 3. Then d will be equal to 16 into 3 is how much? 48 meters. Well done. Okay, excellent. Right. Did you finish the next one? Sixth one? Can you tell the answer for the sixth one? Sixth one? Can you tell the answer for the sixth one? Puthu? Okay, LCA. Very good. Now, this will be right. One side is xy, one side is 2x squared, right? So you can find it like this. You can write xy here. So other side you can write 2x squared, right? You can write 2x squared and divide this by x. So you get here y and 1x will go away, right? So when 1x goes, here it will be 2x. Again, you can divide by x. So when you divide by x again, you get y, right? You get y and 2. One side will be y, other side will be 2. Now you can divide by y. Okay, you can divide by y. So if you divide by y, so you get 1 and you get 2. Until you get 2, until you get 1 for both the things, you have to divide everything, right? Until you get 1, you have to keep on dividing. So if you divide like this, finally, you know, x into y into 2. So you get 2x squared y. So that's the, okay, LCA. Okay, excellent. Okay, 2x squared y. Okay, okay, nice. I'm gonna mark these things. Nice. Okay. Now the next one, right? Okay, carefully listen. Why are we doing this scalar, right? Actually, this is a main practice for your term test. Now itself, we are training for the term test because finally everyone wants marks. Okay, to get these marks, we are training you like this. Actually, this session is happening free of charge. Sometimes most of the students they don't know about this session because everyone with many posts, everything. So you guys are fed up with posts and all. Okay, so you guys don't see into it. So the students who are participating for this, you guys continuously participate for this session. So you can see a massive change whether you join our theory class or not. Okay, that doesn't matter for us. Okay, if you get something from us, we are happy. All right. So please pass this message so you can tell your friends to join this. On every Friday, this is happening. Okay, we have put 8 o'clock, but due to Isha prayers, okay, we couldn't start sharp at 8 because Isha is a bit late. So soon after Isha, we are starting. Then today, like 8:20 again, we started the session, right? So soon after Isha prayers, we are starting this. Okay. Therefore, please tell this. Next Friday, we are having our final seminar. That's final seminar. Therefore, we won't be able to have this paper session only for next Friday. But thereafter, we will have this continuously, right? Still, students are because not much know about this session. Like they don't know about this session much. So you guys, please tell your friends and ask them to join and get the maximum use from this session. Okay, right. Now the next thing, okay, mainly whatever the question we are discussing, that only gonna come to your term exam. Okay, right. Now Pratha, let's go to the next part. Next part is Kamal gave 64,000 rupees to monthly simple interest of 2%. Calculate the interest Kamal received after 5 months. Okay, so Kamal gave 64,000 to Putha, did you do the seventh and eighth? Tagalatel, yes, no. Question 7, 8, 9. We'll do three questions together. Did you try 789? Who did? Yes, no? Oh, correct. Please speak to the chat. Okay. Then active in the chat box. Taggal, now start doing 789. Wait fast. For the done mean Taggal till done. After that, Taggal will discuss. Okay, actively participate. Should done till done. And you can put your answers. Well done. Okay. Some students are actively participating. We are happy about it. Well done. Put the answer for 7, 8, 9. Put the question number and you can put the answers. Question number 7, question number 8, and question number 9. Okay, well done. Okay, I will explain everything clearly. Don't worry. Right? Not only question 8, we will explain everything clearly. Don't worry about that, Puta. Right. Right. Now, let's discuss. Okay. Now, guys, see this part. Kamal gave 64,000, right, for monthly simple interest rate of 2%. Calculate the interest Kamal received after 5 months. So, monthly interest 2%. So, you can see 64,000. This 64,000. So, 2% is monthly interest. Then you can write 2 over 100. So, this is for 1 month. 2 over 100 means you get for 1 month. So, you can simplify these 2 zeros. So, 640 into 2 mean you get 1,280. Okay. So this is per month. Then what should you do? They're asking for 5 months. So 1,280, you have to multiply by 5. So if you multiply by 5, how much will you get? 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 8, 40, 5 into 10, 2 and 4. Then, okay, 14, then 5, 6. So 6,400. Did you get this answer? Yes, well done. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now, let's see the question number 8. In question number 8, they have given square root of a number x to the first approximation is 3.1. So what is the nearest perfect square number to x? Right. Now, Buddha, square root of a number x to the first approximation is 3.1. Now, what does it mean? What is the nearest perfect square number to x? Now, they have given 3.1. So, 3.1. Now, here is 3.1. So, what is the square number before this? What can you write? Like 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. So, other one is 2 square. 2 square is 4. Right? 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. So, if you want to come from 1 to 3.1, 4 to 3.1. So, they have asked square root of the number x to the first approximation is 3.1. What is the nearest perfect square number to x? Now, which one is the nearest perfect number? 1 or 4? Which one is the nearest number? 1 or 4? Yeah, you can reply. Which one is the closest value for 3.1? Answer is 4, right? So nearest perfect square number is what? 4. Is it clear? They ask what is the closest one? Okay. Closest one is 1 or 4? 4, right? Why 4? Because see from 1 to 3.1, you have to travel 2.1 difference. But 3.1 to 4, what is the difference? 0.9. Okay. Right. So that's the difference here. Nice. Okay. So all the students who are participating for our paper class, you guys can participate our online theory classes for this month for free of charge. So already we finished with almost with the first unit, right? Still you can get the recordings of that. So what you have to do, just go to our YouTube channel, right? So even this session also, we are uh, giving in our YouTube channel. So I will share the link in this. So you can just subscribe it our YouTube channel. Okay, so you can participate our all the free sessions via YouTube. So you will get the notification for our this one. Okay, so I will just put that so you can just click the link and you can visit the YouTube channel. Okay, even if your basics are weak, Puta, we got right our basic video sets are there. Right, you can complete your basics and you can thorough your mathematics part. Okay, you can make your maths part thorough using our basic videos. If you go to playlist, there is a section called basic videos. Under that, integers, equations, everything explained clearly. Plus, right. Okay, if you want the tute, okay, so the things what you have done, okay, you can send a WhatsApp message for this. Okay, so then you can get uh yeah the PDF of the tute as well. Okay, just send a WhatsApp message for this, so you can get the PDF of our grade 11 tute. Okay. So you can get the PDF plus you can get this is our his number, right? If you send a message, you can get the sessions recordings. Okay, whatever the sessions we have done for unit 1, you can get the grade 11 unit 1's recording, right? Plus, if you want the grade 10, you can get the grade 10 recordings, right? Everything you can get from this number. Okay, so that's all. So you can use these things and to improve your mathematics. Okay, so while actually maths is an easy subject, we can train you to go for a massive result. Okay, that's not a big thing for us. We have done that so many times. Okay, now uh fine. Because recently I got a message, right? I would like to share with you. So the message, because you guys can understand how things work. Okay. So I just show you. So you can read it uh, and you can see this. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Right. Right. Now you itself can read this and you can understand like how it works. Okay, this is actually a message sent by a previous student who was in our class, and okay, you itself can read this. Okay, I hope you'd have read this. All right. Okay. So this is a condition, right? So we are giving actually a training for all the students to come for a very high level. Okay. So the thing is, you can get the help. Most of the things we are doing for free, right? For our students. Okay. Actually, our target is my main profession is doctor. Okay, but teaching is my passion. So I'm teaching now. I'm teaching for nearly 10 years. And we have produced so much of A's, especially, right? The people who were in 20s, 30s, we have converted those things to A's. Alhamdulillah, right? So the thing is, like, there is a guidance for everything. Like, if you really work hard, Puta, definitely you can go for a very good level. Because no one cares what you do and no one cares actually about you. Finally, what matters is what you do at the end. So, guys, don't forget yourself. Okay, whatever you are doing now, every single thing is an investment. Even the hard work, what you're putting now, you guys are online. Okay, if you would have thought you can do something at this moment, like watching something which is interesting more than this. But you guys are involved to do some questions with me and to increase this. Why? Because you want something. Okay, so we have to make a meaningful thing for that. Okay, to get the meaningful thing, right, you guys have to work. Okay, so everything, like everyone can't work in the same way. There is a way to work. So that's why I ask you to go through our YouTube channel, right? In that playlist, you got the basic video section. So under that, first of all, check whether you can do all those basic stuffs. Okay, and also like recently we are going to introduce special. Most of the people, like they guys you guys are we get multiplication. Your multiplication are slow. Remember, the paper speed depends on how much your multiplication works well with you. Okay, if you are good at multiplication, guys, definitely you can finish the paper in a short time period. But if your multiplications are weak, definitely you will take more time to finish this. So please remember those things as well. Okay, so uh, I hope you guys will work well. I'm ready to help you, right? So you can send a WhatsApp message and you can get right the PDFs, everything with you. All right. So uh, okay, okay, fine. So this this is your life, your work. So work well. We are ready to support you, right? Finally, right? What matters, what you do. Okay, right. So we'll do the rest of the questions now. Uh, fine. Okay. Number 9. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder with the radius 7 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. So the volume of a cylinder with the radius r and height h is pi r square. So here they have given the formula for volume. Putha, remember, right? Remember, there are four shapes. For those four shapes, volume formula is same, right? Volume formula is same for those four shapes. Okay, what are those four shapes? Remember, guys, these are the four shapes. Okay, cube, one is cube, one is cube, one is cube, okay, this is cube. Second one is cuboid, this is cuboid. Okay, cube, cuboid, and the other one is the triangular prism. Okay, the triangular prism. Okay, right. And third one is the triangular prism. This is the triangular prism. And okay, this is the triangular prism. And the fourth one is, okay, the cylinder. Fourth one is the cylinder. Under this one is the cylinder. Putha, for all these four shapes, the volume formula is same. But we never, you guys would, you wouldn't have learned this part. Like these are same formula skill. I'm sure you wouldn't have learned this, right? Because normally I tell this in my class. Okay, so for all four things, the volume formula is, okay, volume is equal to area into height. Okay, area into height. This is the volume formula. Okay. So all four things, base area into height. So now take the cube for an example. Okay, you know the base, what is the base shape? It's a square. Okay, if you take the cube, the base shape is a square. So how you find the square's area? You find length into length. Okay, the square's area will be length into length. This is the square's area, length into length. So length into length is the square's base area, and the height also length. That's why when you want to find the volume formula of a cube, you guys multiply volume equals length into length into length. Okay, same way when you go for the cuboid. So cuboid, when you go for this, Putha, this is length, this one is breadth, and this one is height. So how you see the volume formula for this? Okay, you will by multiply length into breadth into height. Why it's length into breadth? Because the area of the base, how you see the rectangle's area, length into breadth. So the height is only the edge height. So even triangular prism, Putha, now you guys had like so much of things to remember this. Actually, no need to put any effort to remember this. Okay, so you can see, you have to remember, you have to keep the prism in this way. Okay, you have to keep the prism in this way. So if you keep the prism in this way, so then base is what? It's a triangle. The base is a triangle. So what you can do, the base is a triangle. So you can find the area of the base using half into base into height. Okay, that's the area of a triangle, half into base into height. Then this height take only we are taking as the length. Okay, so that's why we write the volume of a prism as half into base into height into length. Next, when you come to the cylinder, okay, when you come to the cylinder, Putha, this cylinder's radius we take as r. Okay, so how you find the volume of a cylinder? So it's a circle. How you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So area of the circle is pi r squared and the height is h. Okay, okay. So will you forget these formulas? So you can reply. All right. Will you forget these formulas now? Just paper. You should say, will you forget or not? Already you remember this. Okay, if you know this, it's fine, right? Okay. Okay, so I hope you will remember this until your O-levels. If you remember until O-levels, that's enough. Right, that's fine. Okay, nice. So, thank you for engaging in the chat and keeping the class live. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, so definitely you have to chat in the chat box so we can answer for your questions. Okay, then, okay, so now all these things are fine. Remember, these are the main four shapes. For these four shapes, cube, cuboid, prism, and the cylinder, all four shapes have the same formula for volume. And Putha, now when you come for the cylinder, now I can use the cylinder's formula V equals pi r squared h. Okay, volume is equal to pi r squared h. So what is pi? Pi is 22/7. What is radius? Radius is 7 into 7. And what is height? Height is 20. This height is 20. So I can simplify this 7 and 7. Okay. Then what is the answer for the volume? Okay. You get 7 into 22 as 154. 154 into 20, 3080 kilo. You will get the answer. You get the answer as 3080 centimeter cube. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see whether you guys know the volume connections. Shall we check? Okay. So tell me, what is the connection between, okay, what is the connection between centimeter cube and milliliter? Can you tell me what is the connection between centimeter cube and milliliter? Yes. Can you? Mm. Very good, very good. Okay. They are equal. Okay, nice. Centimeter cube and milliliter, both are equal to them. Okay, this is 1 milliliter, 1 centimeter cube. It means whatever you measure in milliliter, in a 1 milliliter, you should know the size of 1 milliliter. Size of 1 milliliter is if you take, okay, the length, breadth, and the height. When you take the length, breadth, and the height, okay, when you take the length, breadth, and the height, when the length is 1 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. And that is only 1 milliliter. Length is 1 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. Now, and that is the size of 1 milliliter. So centimeter cube and milliliter both are same. All right. So centimeter cube and milliliter both are same means. Now, okay. What can you tell about? Then 1 liter, you guys know that, right? 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. That one you know from childhood. So that's why I understand 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube as well. Milliliter also same thing. Even centimeter cube, if you take it is 1000. Okay. But tell me what is the connection between meter cube and liter? 1 meter cube is equal to how many liters? Oh, meter cube and liter both are same. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is the connection between the meter cube and the liters? Yes. Yes. So the 1 meter cube is equal to, right, 1000 liters. Remember that. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Right? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Remember that. But at least remember this. Hereafter, don't forget this. Remember 1 meter cube mean, remember, it's like a water tank. Okay. Water tank only 1 meter cube. Remember that. Normally, when you're building a water tank, remember, you know a meter rule. So 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. And that is only 1000 liter tank. Right? Remember that. You have an idea about 1 liter. You have an idea about 1 liter water bottle. 1 liter water bottle or Pepsi bottle. You have the idea of 1 liter bottle. So 1 liter bottle, this much mean, you know, the 1000 liter mean 1000 times of that. So that is only a tank. Okay, so just remember these units. Don't forget that. At least remember something. Okay, remember meter cube mean, just remember that is a tank. 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. 1 centimeter cube mean 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. So that is only 1 milliliter. Right? Don't forget these things. It is very important. Right? Those things are fine. Now they have finally shaded the region A intersection B. So you guys know what is A intersection B. First of all, when you're going to shade this, I'll tell an easy way. Normally put this ABC here, you just put for this. Simple ABC. Not ABC, just put 1, 2, 3 here for this. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Then here A. Then can you tell what are the things belong to A? For A? 2 and 3. This 2 and 3 belong to A and both. This 2 and 3. What belongs to B? B, yes. For B, only 3 belongs. For B, only 3 belongs. Only 3 belongs to B. So 2 and 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to B. Then they have asked the common one. Common one mean what? Now for A and B, what is the common one? You can see 3 is common. Then what you have to do? You have to shade only the 3. Is it clear? How to shade these things, how to understand these things? Right. So all the students who are participating for today, you can participate our theory class also for free of charge for January. Okay, we are having January, mean like January and the February first week. So 2 more sessions are there. You can participate for free of charge. Plus, you can get the first class session. It's there in YouTube. Okay, you can see if you go to YouTube, you can see that part as well. So you can get that. So for the tube, visit that number what I have given. Then they will give you the tube as well. Right. So now I hope you would have understood. Okay. So I like your honest opinions about today's session. So you can put that in the chat box itself. So I can put it to our channel. So your ideas, your genuine ideas about today's session, right? So with this, although we have done 10 questions, I gave the basic idea of all the 10 questions. So next week, we'll try, next week I said we are having a final seminar. So we won't be able to do this Friday session. So the next Friday, we will be having the paper class as well. Don't forget the Thursday session as well. Right. You can give your uh, not the sincere feedback in our chat box. Okay, now it's open to you. You can whatever the feedback means, like you can put a small sentence ටිකක් දාලා the way how things work in. Okay, now we can give your feedback. Yeah, give your feedbacks now. Maybe. So no, just then only we can aim. Then it actually gives a boost for us. Okay. No need to put in everyone's chat. You can send it in the DMs also, like in the chats. Right. Okay. Thank you for the feedback.